The Nike Pegasus Premium is one of the most successful running shoes to come out of Nike's 2025 performance lineup, and it looks ready to continue that momentum into 2026. Recently, the model appeared in a sleek black anthracite hot lava colorway that balances performance and lifestyle appeal. The upper features a dark mixed material construction that gives the shoe a clean and modern look, while subtle details keep it visually interesting. Bright hot lava accents on the branding and sculpted zoom air units add a bold pop of color, preventing the design from feeling too understated. Beyond looks, the multi-cushion setup reinforces the Pegasus Premium's reputation for comfort, responsiveness, and everyday wearability. Overall, this release delivers a strong combination of innovation, style, and function, making it appealing to both runners and sneaker fans. The Nike Pegasus Premium Black Hot Lava is expected to release globally through Nike by April 2026, with a retail price of $220.